Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we're gonna see how to install Vivaldi Web Browser 1.14 on a Linux Mint 18.3 version. Before we see the installation procedure, let's see what's up with the new version of Vivaldi Web Browser. It is very powerful and colorful history this time. If we get an in-depth overview of your browsing habits backed by statistics and visual data, with history more useful than ever before, you can quickly scan through your visited website and get helpful hints for finding old links. And also you can make notes on the side panel, and there are million ways to customize everything. And also if you like a command line control, then the Vivaldi is sure to be a delight. Quick commands let you search through open tabs, bookmarks, history, settings, and more than a command line interface. So let's get started with the installation procedure. In order to get the latest version, that is 1.14, go to the official website of Vivaldi. Here you can find 1.14 for a Linux. Click here. I'm gonna choose a 1.14 64-bit Debian. You can download as per your system requirements. Now it's getting downloaded. Now the download has been complete. Let's go to the path where it is downloaded. Here you can find the Vivaldi stable version. Install by using the following command. The installation is complete now, and in some case if you receive a dependency error, just run the following command apt-get install-f. That will resolve your dependency errors. Now let's get started with the interface of Vivaldi 1.14 on Linux Mint 18.3. Just open the menu and then search for Vivaldi web browser. Here you can find it. Open. So this is it. As you can see here, there are lots of various options. If you press F2, there are various options that will pop up in front. You can choose anything, and that gives a position for using a command line interface. So this is the home page when you install it for a first time, and here you can write your note just by clicking it. You can make note of anything. So there are many various features that makes it to withstand with its competitors. And if you want to experience this, download and enjoy the experience with Vivaldi Browser 1.14 on your Linux distribution. Thank you for watching this tutorial.
If you like our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. For more videos, please do visit www.linuxhelp.com and also mail us to support@linuxhelp.com for further queries.